Okay, here are some examples when two chords intersect and an angle is formed inside the circle. Same deal as if they were two secants. They're whether they're chords or they're secants and they keep going and going, or they just stop on the circle, same idea. In this particular problem, we're trying to find x, and we notice that we have two arcs given, and because the angle is created inside the circle, we look at the intersected arcs for x and we don't have them. But we do know we have intercepted arcs if we were to call maybe this angle y. All right? So this angle y was created, sorry, my dog's going wild, by these two chords. The intercepted arcs are 126 and 72. So to find y, to find y, the intercepted arcs are 126 and 72. So we're going to do 1/2 of the sum of 126 and 72, which would be half of what? 198. Does that seem right? I'm going to go with that. Half of 198 would be 99. So y is 99, and if y is 99, then to find x, all you're going to do is say that x is 180 minus 99, so x is going to be 81 degrees. All right, does that seem okay? All right, similar situation with example 3. Here I have two arcs that were intercepted, but I'm not looking for the angle this time. I'm looking for one of the arcs. So one of the arcs, and it's a minor arc, is called x. The angle created by these two chords or secants, the angle we can find, or I'm sorry, the angle we actually have that we should work with is going to be this angle right here. And this angle is going to be 48 degrees. We want to use 48 because if you draw, here are my intercepted arcs. This is 48, so is this. So 48 is the angle we need to use because it's connected with the arcs. Again, this time we're looking for an arc, so we're going to say 48 is equal to 1/2 of x plus 67. We're going to add the arcs together because the angle was created on the inside. Now, how you solve this, you could certainly distribute the 1/2 throughout, but you're going to get fractions. So in this particular case, better to multiply both sides by 2. Because parentheses are here, we don't need to multiply everything by 2 if we multiply what's outside the parentheses by 2. And then that drops off, and that's awesome. So we get 96 equals x plus 67. And then I believe we get 29 for our answer. Okay, so this is if you have an angle that you're looking for that's inside, or you're given an angle that's created inside of the circle, then we add the arcs. We add the arcs. All right, there's our first video.